Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video I explain the Pinnacle Bank Nebraska app review to see if it's worth using. So let's dive into it. The Pinnacle Bank Nebraska app is a mobile banking tool that help customers manage their account conveniently on the go. It offers features like checking balance, viewing transaction history, transferring money, mobile check deposit, bills payments through the PIN Pay, and card management options such as locking or unlocking debit card. The app also provides a real-time alert, branch and ATM locator, and it's available for both iOS and Android users, making banking accessible at any time for everyone. Overall, the app focuses mainly on the core banking features and doesn't include the advanced tools like budgeting, credit score monitoring, or in-depth financial insight. Some users report occasional performance glitches such as slow loading or delay in updating transactions. So in conclusion, the app worth it if you want bank with a Pinnacle, or you need a simple secure bank for everyday transaction, but the app is not ideal, or the bank is not ideal if you're looking for advanced financial management tools or a highly polished interface. And that's it. Hope you find the video helpful. Turn the notification button and subscribe for more reviews.